I don't fucking care. I don't want to fucking hear you. I will get you fucking arrested.